flowers. Today we're diving into the art of gift basket decoration. Gather your materials, a cane basket, artificial flowers, ribbons, and crepe papers. As we embark on this creative journey together, let's transform a simple basket into a stunning masterpiece. Ready to get started? To kick things off, we'll add a touch of precision to our project. Join me as we delicately separate each petal from this beautiful flower bouquet. This thoughtful step will set the stage for a carefully adorned basket. Once the petals are ready, it's time to bring our vision to life on the basket. With petals in hand, let's gracefully wrap them around the basket handle. The flexibility of the wire in the flowers allows us to sculpt and shape them effortlessly. As we cover half of the handle, get ready for the magic to unfold in the next step. In this step, we'll introduce a splash of elegance to our basket. Using a securing ribbon, we'll delicately wrap it around the entire basket, infusing a delightful light pink hue. And fear not, a touch of trusty Scotch tape will ensure a seamless and beautiful finish. Now let's inject some color into our creation. Grab your crepe papers and let's cut vibrant strips. Whether it's pink, white, or a mix of both, the choice is yours. Unleash the vibrant potential of these strips as we prepare for the final touch. The moment has arrived. Let's fill our adorned basket with those colorful crepe paper fillers. And of course, what's a gift basket without some sweet treats? Add toffees, chocolates, and a few more toffees for good measure. Top it off with your special gift, and there you have it, a beautifully crafted gift basket ready to make a statement. Thank you for joining me in this crafting adventure. If you enjoyed decorating this gift basket, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, happy crafting, and thanks for being a part of this creative community.